Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you are stopping in for the first time, my name is Ifeoluwa. You can also call me the Alpha Glam. So today I'll be showing you how I got my birthday glam. Yes, I'll be showing you the process, the tricks, and how I glammed myself into perfection to achieve this beautiful look. So guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if this is something you like to watch, kindly keep on watching. Welcome back again, guys, and here is my face, clean and ready to take in makeup, guys, and I am pretty excited about this glam. Yes, I'll be starting with the Blossom moisturizer. I'll be using a clean brush to apply this moisturizer all over my face. You want to apply it on every area of your face, and guys, it is very important that your face is hydrated and moisturized to lock in your makeup. This is a very important step that you should not miss. Going right into my Zaron oil block, that is the only mattifier that actually mattifies my face. Guys, listen to this. Can we give like 5 seconds for this nice glowing skin? Like, my skin looks so good this morning. Probably it's the air or it's the excitement, or I don't know, but my skin looks really good. Like, nah, my face looks stunning. So right now, let me go into my Zaron oil block. Yes, guys, as I said, this Zaron oil block is the only mattifier that mattifies my face. It controls oil. This is the only thing that actually really controls oil. And guys, try to make sure it does not get under your eyes, because of course your under eyes is dry naturally, so you don't want anything to make your concealer or your foundation crease on that side. So I'll be applying this oil block on my forehead, my nose, and every area of my face that gets oily. Right now I'm using my foundation, that is the LA Girl Pro foundation. There was a time I was super obsessed with this foundation. There's a glow, a luminous glow that this foundation gives, but it might not be showing so well in this video, and that is because I've mixed that foundation with another one. There was a previous foundation I used a day before, so I just used that foundation with it, but you can see that skin match. Yes, like, nah, this foundation is actually a really nice foundation. So right now I'll be drawing my bonnet to the back. You want to make sure that your lace has the same color with your face, so I'll be applying a little bit of foundation on the lace of my hair to make sure everything blends in. Straight into my LA Girl Pro concealer. Yes, I'll be using that in Toast. I'll be using that under my eyes to make sure that I brighten under my eyes. So this is basically for my highlights. Yes, just for my highlighting. So I'll be putting this under my eyes, and once I am done with this, I'll blend it out. So guys, you have to make sure you know how to apply your concealer perfectly under your eyes, so when you blend it out, it will still look nice. I'll be going into my beauty blender to blend out this concealer. You want to make sure you blend it properly into your foundation. Like I always say, you don't want any demarcation to show between your concealer and your highlights. I'll only be applying this under my eyes and also on my chin. So guys, those are the places where I want to bring in light into my face. And once I am done with this, I'll be going into my normal foundation in 42. Yes guys, I want my under eyes to be a little bit bright. This is why I'm applying this light concealer under it. I want something that will make my eyes pop. Of course, it's my birthday glam. And I'll be using this Zaron blush to add a bit of warmth to my face. You want to make sure that your face has a bit of color in it so that it looks yummy. So right now, I'll be using my beauty blender to blend it in. Very important, guys. You have to blend it in softly so that it does not stand out on your face. And now I'll also be applying a bit of it, what is remaining on my beauty blender on my forehead. So I'll be applying all that. And once I am done with that, I'll be going into my inner corners of my eyes. You want to apply the light, you want to blend out the light concealer under the eyes, which is what I am doing right here. So you can see the difference. It just gives a little bit of highlights under my eyes. My eyes does not look dark. It looks different from the rest of my face, but still blends in well with the rest of my face. So right now I am still blending, and I'll go into my Mirage Cosmetics setting powder in the shade Ginger. I'll be applying this setting powder over all the places I highlighted. Even the places I did not highlight, which would be my forehead, I'll be applying it there just to give the illusion of an highlighted face. This is very important, guys. So I'll be applying to my forehead and on my chin. Once I am done with this, I'll be going into my powder blush palette, which is by the V Beauty, to just emphasize on the blush I earlier applied.
It's time to bronze up this face.
Yes, guys, I think bronzing is one of my favorite parts of makeup. I just like the warmth and the tan that it gives my face. It just gives it that golden glowy look. Yes, I actually enjoy bronzing my face. So yes, I'll be bronzing the sides of my eyes too, because you want to make sure all these perimeters of your faces are well contoured. So right now I'll be going into my Juvia's palette, and I'll be going into these shades I am showing you. I'll be using that on the bridge of my nose and all over my eyelid, and also my eye crease. You want to apply all this all over your eyes, but I like the color because it gives a kind of yumminess to the eyes. You don't want your eyes or your face to be too boring without color. So yes, right now I'm applying it on my eye crease, my eyelid, every part of my eyes except for the brow bone on my face. So I'm applying that eyeshadow there, and now I'm checking the mirror to be sure it is good, and also using a bit of it to sculpt my nose so it can just give that illusion of a very straight nose. Right now I'll be going into that silver color, and I'll be applying this on my eyelid. Yes guys, this is the color that I want to use so that it can complement my outfit. I think pink and silver actually goes hand in hand. So I'm applying this silver eyeshadow. It has shimmers in it. I'm applying it on my eyelid. And yes guys, nobody told me it was so difficult applying eyeshadow when you already fixed semi-permanent lashes. God, it was such an hassle. But let's
go into my Cocoa Urban.
I'll be going into a black eyeshadow, and I'm applying that on the sides of my lids. Yes, there's a black eyeshadow. The eyeshadow palette is actually broken, so that's why I could not show you the black eyeshadow I'll be using. And then for some paparazzi, I'll be going into this pigment. It's a silver pigment, not so much. I just wanted the silver on my eyelids to pop, and this is what I am applying it. Yes guys, so you can see it just shines in a different way. Yeah, it makes that eyes pop. And right after, I'll be going into my Zaron eyeliner in Jazz. Also, it is so difficult applying your eyeliner when you have semi-permanent lashes fixed. I just tried my best to apply all this on my face, and I'll be lining my second eyes. And it is when I am done with this, I'm going into my eyebrows. Guys, I hope you are enjoying this tutorial. And if you are, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Oh,
right now, I'm feeling myself.
Oh,
So I'll be going right into my brows, and that's my brow wax. I'll be applying it generously on my eyebrows so that they can slip and stay flat. And once I am done with this, I'm using my mascara wand to brush up my brows so that everything, the wax can go into the brows properly. Right now I'm going into my setting powder to just make sure it is really matte and it stays on where it is supposed to stay. Yes, and once I'm done with this, I am going into my Davis pencil in 03. I'm using this to draw my outline. My first outline, which is beneath my brow bones, and my second outline, which is above my brow bones. I'll be drawing this. And guys, you have to be as light-handed as possible. This is very important. And once I am done drawing my two outlines, I'll fill it in with light strokes. Yes, you don't want it to be too dark. This is what I am currently doing, guys. If you want a brow tutorial, don't hesitate to drop your comments and ask for what you want to see. I'm also still filling my brows with my Davis pencil, and right now I want to darken the brows a bit with a black gel. This is just to make sure that it pops really on my eyes. You know, as a dark girl, there's tendency that some colors might not really show so much on your skin, and this is why I'm going into a dark eye pencil to just make sure everything is outstanding. And right now I'll also fill it in gently. So right now you can see my brows looks good. It looks really obvious. It is showing that yes, we have brows here. And right now I'll be concealing with my LA Girl Pro concealer in Toast. I'll be using this to just make sure that my brows are highlighted and look as good as possible. I noticed that the top of my brows were looking somehow, so also I'm trying to clean off the top of my brows, which I rarely do. You rarely see me clean the top of your brows, but it is what it is this time. So right now I'm cleaning the top of both brows to make sure that they look as good as possible. And once I am done with this, I'm blending the concealer under my eyes. You want to make sure that what you use to highlight, there's no demarcation between it and the eyeshadow under your brows. So this is very important, guys. Blend out your concealer. You also don't want that place looking oily. Very, very important, guys. And once I am done with this, I'll be going in on the top of the brows too, to just make sure everything is neat and nicely done. Guys, it is this little attention to details that differentiates your makeup from other makeups. Yes, guys, right now I'll be going into a powder to just mattify my under that brows. Just like I said, you don't want that place to be oily, and this is why I am going into a powder to do that. And now everything looks good and sweet and nice. Right now I'll be going into the eyeshadow brush that I used earlier just to emphasize on my eyeshadow, especially the outer V, because there's tendency that my concealer has cleaned a bit of what I want there. Once I am done with this, I'm going into my Milani powder in deep. I'm using it to brush away the excess powder under my eyes. Yes, and now once I am done doing this and dusting off the excess powder under my eyes, I'll be going into my Milani powder, using my powder puff to just accentuate under my eyes. So this is what you call the reverse contour. So it's just accentuate that side, and also a bit of blush to still add warmth to my face. Yes, guys, you can see the difference. Everything just comes together once you do all this. And yes, the face is already looking as yummy as it should. Right now, I'm not going all over my face to make sure everything is rightly done and rightly put all over my face. And right now, I'll be going into my Kiss Beauty setting spray and spraying my face so everything comes all together. Yes, the look comes all together. The powdery effect is also gone. And right now I'll be going into my lips. I'll be going into my Davis pencil in 03. I'll be using this to line my lips. And once I am done with this, I'll go to my lower lip, of course, line that also. And I'll be going into my Ava lip stain, the lip stain in light pink. I'll be applying that on my lip. Yes, so this is the color I am going for. And right now I'll be going into this Adventure lip gloss. It is in wine. Yes, let's say dark red wine, but it is close to wine. I'll be using this on the places that are outlined with my Davis pencil. Yes, guys, so you can see the difference. He's already looking good. Yes, and once I am done with this, I'll be going into the pink lip gloss. And guys, this is how it looks like. I can't remember the last time I used this color on my lips. Like, it felt strange, but it was really nice. Right now I'm going into my Polar Bees eyeliner, and I'll be lining my under eyes. You want to make sure that place is dark enough. And right now I am trying to smudge it because I feel like a bit of smudge and shadows under my eyes won't hurt nobody, which actually even accentuates my eyes and makes it look good. Yes, guys. And right now I'll be going into my So Pro highlighter. I'll be applying a bit of it on the apple of my cheeks. just a little of it. And right now I'm also going to my northern highlighter. I'll also be applying a little of it on my cheeks. Yes, so all these are coming together, also on the bridge of my nose and the tip of my nose. Yes,
to bring everything, to bring the whole look together.
not me mimicking the sound of this spray, but honestly this is how it sounds. Shh. Yes guys, so this is the final look guys. I really hope you love it.
Yes, guys.
So guys, this is the final look. This is how I looked for my photo shoots, and I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.